Hey guys, Toxic Trav here, and I'm just going to do a quick review on the Klutch welding cart. It's the 2-tier cart, and I've had this for about 2 years now, or I guess January will be 2 years, so it's been a year. But this cart has been awesome, and it's way better than the Harbor Freight welding cart you can buy. And it's just set up so much better, and it has this nice handle on it here where you can wheel it around. It's set up so much better than the Harbor Freight one. As you can see, I have a Harbor Freight welder on it, but I'm sure it's very wide. You can see I'm storing stick rods next to it, so you have all that space even on the left side for like a wider welder. So it should have plenty of room to fit your welder, and if your welder is too long, you can always flip this handle upside down so the handle will be down here, and that way your welder cables and stuff will clear it. Luckily mine fits just under it, so I didn't have to do that, so it's still easier to grab. But yeah, it sets up good, and it comes with the cable holders on the side here. There's 4 on each side. I actually flipped these ones upside down so I can hang clamps and stuff off of them. I just thought it was better that way instead of having like one facing up and one facing down just for the wires. I feel like I can store more stuff with it that way. But you can see on the second shelf here, got plenty of room. I store all my stick rods under here. You know, I got probably, well, each box is 5 pounds except for those, so you know, I probably got like 35 pounds of welding rod on here. So you got plenty of room. You know, you can store your MIG pliers and your nozzle gel right on the front. And the only complaint I have is this little opening box on the bottom. If I shut it, it gets kind of stuck. I don't know why it was like that when I built it. So I just kind of like shut it halfway like that, but you can see it gets kind of stuck a little bit. But other than that, this is where I store like my welding tips for the MIG gun and stuff like that. I keep my welding helmet in here as well, but it's over there on the table right now. But yeah, the little storage bin is nice to have. You know, your welding helmet will stay clean in there. It won't get dusty or anything. Yeah, it's the casters, it rolls on the front. The wheels are really nice. I haven't ridden into problems with them. Same with the other side. Got the 4 clamps. I keep my ground clamps, my power cable, and then I hang my chipping hammers off of them. It's pretty well built, and obviously if you had a MIG bottle, it's got the little shelf on the back here with the chains to hold it. I haven't got a MIG bottle yet. I plan on getting one soon. I've mainly just done flux and stick welding, so I haven't needed a bottle. But I want to get into it. But yeah, it says right here the weight capacity is 100 pounds, but I'm sure you could probably put a little more on it than that. That's probably just being safe. Because a MIG bottle probably weighs like 40 pounds on its own, at least. And some welders are pretty heavy. I forget what this one weighs. I think it's like 40 pounds as well. So, you know, you're getting close to the weight limit. But it's a well-built cart. It's definitely worth, I think I paid 99 bucks for it on sale. I don't remember what the original price is, but I'll leave a link in the description to the product down below. I bought it off Northern Tool. I believe that's what Klutch sells from mostly. But I love this cart. It works great. The only problem I had was that door down below, but it still works. I guess the other complaint I forgot to tell you is the instructions it comes with to put it together is terrible. I think I put the shelves on like backwards twice. It is a lot of like little, you know, bolts and nuts everywhere. You know, like the whole thing is in pieces, so it was a kind of a pain in the ass to put together, but once you get it together, you'll realize it's a pretty nice cart. I wish they made one double as wide. That'd be pretty nice with more storage, but maybe I'll have to wait till they make one. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the quick little review. Thanks for watching.